Hello Jokers, thanks for watching this episode of Jawkers Physiotherapy. So this one is for the left SpM ligament, which looks after the range between 60 to 90% of the opening. I happen to have myself a little bit of curvature going to the right. So this curvature possibly is coming from the left sphenomandibular ligament. We call it left SpM ligament. And in order to reduce the curvature or the wobble to the right this time, which would happen at a opening between 60 to 90% or a late curve. So as you open, it may go straight and then it starts to drift off, curve, wobble to the right. Okay, so let's get started. This time, the right hand cupped like this and holds right half of your chin. The other hand held up here on the left head to counter, and the arm angle is very important. That's the line of force. Okay, it's usually going towards the shoulder, but essentially when you're doing it correct, how do you know? Because you will feel it there, not just in the jaw but along the cheek. So if you don't feel that, you need to play around with the angle. But principal angle is towards the right shoulder, left shoulder. Okay, so you open first to the point where it starts to curve. So if you see my teeth, the bottom teeth, here you go. Initially, your muscle often fights and it takes a while to switch off. Then you can count 10 seconds because you'll start to let go of the muscle. You can stretch further down and you'll feel it along the jaw. Okay. Okay, well done. So you will do this in between, theoretically between 60 to 90% of the opening where it starts to kick. So when it starts to kick at a later range to the right side, you're stretching down towards the left. The key is to have the arm angle in a downward direction towards the shoulder, opposite shoulder, but you need to play around the angle so that you feel. The main thing is you feel it not just in the jaw joint here, which is just in front of the tragus of the ear. That's where the jaw joint is, but you also feel it along down the cheek. As long as you don't just feel it in here and you feel somewhere along, you're doing it right. Okay, so I would like you to start when you're given this exercise every hourly for the first week, and as you get used to it, holding your own face and head, your hand orientation is better, you feel the stretch, and you become more proficient at doing the exercise. Also, it'll improve so you don't have to do as often. You can cut back on the frequency and intensity of the stretch. Okay, thanks for watching this episode, and I'll see you in another episode of Jawkers Physiotherapy. Happy rehab! Cheers!